Hello students, in this third video on curve fitting, we will discuss how to fit a second degree curve. Second degree curve is also known as a parabola or a quadratic curve. First we will discuss the method to find normal equation, then we will do one example. The equation of parabola or second degree curve is y is equal to a plus bx plus c x square, where a, b, c are constants to be determined and x and y are variables. Then again, to find normal equations, in this, as there are three constants, so we will need three simultaneous equations, so there will be three normal equations. Now method of normal equation is same as in straight line. First equations is developed by using summation of all the values. By putting into equation number 1, we will get summation y is equal to, again a added n times, we will get a times n, b times summation x plus c times summation x square. Then we multiply this equation by x, we will get xy, a times x, b times x square, c times x cube, and then we add up all these values. And to find the next equation, we multiply this equation with x square. We get x square y, a times x square, b times x cube, c times x4. So first equation by taking summation of equation 1, second by multiplying all values with x, and third by multiplying equation 1 with x square and then taking the summation. Then we are given the values of x and y, and we have to find value of x multiply y. Then we need x square, then we need x square multiply y, and x cube and x4. And then we have to add up all these values. On adding, we will get the values of summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square, summation x square y, summation x cube and summation x4. Then we substitute all these values in these three equations, and value of n is also known. On substituting, we get three equations, three simultaneous equations in a, b and c, and that three equations can be solved by using any method of solving simultaneous equations. We can solve these equations by using say elimination method, by using Cramer's rule, by using matrix inverse method, by using Gauss-Seidel method or Gauss elimination method. Means we can apply any method to solve that three equations. On solving three equations, we will get the value of a, b and c, and that a, b and c are substituted in equation number 1. We will get the required second degree parabola or second degree curve. Now we explain this with the help of one example. So example is, fit a second degree parabola, fit a second degree parabola or second degree curve to the data. X and y is given. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and value of y is 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5 and 6.3. So this is the question, and we want to fit a second degree parabola. Now first of all, let equation of parabola is y equal to a plus bx plus c x square. Take this as equation number 1. Then we find the normal equations as discussed. Summation y is equal to an plus bx plus cx square. Then summation multiply by x, ax bx square cx cube, multiply this by x square y, ax square bx cube cx4. Now to find all the values, we make a table. X and y are given. Values of again x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5 and 6.3. So first we find xy. Now for this multiply x with y. So this will comes out to be 0, 1.8, 2.6, 7.5 and 25.2. Then we find x square. X square is square of this column 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Then we multiply x square with y. X square into y. Now x square into y is comes out to be 0 into 0 is 0, 1, 4 into 2 is this is x square into y, 1 into 1.8, 4 into 1.3 is 5.2, then 22.5 and last is 100.8. 16 multiplies 6.3. Then we find x cube and x4. X cube is cube of this column. This comes out to be 0, 1, 8, 27 and 64. Similarly x4, you can do square of this or take 4 power of this one. This comes out to be 0, 1, 16, 81 and 256. Now we take summation of all the columns. Summation x is 10, summation y is 12.9, summation xy is 37.1, summation x square is 30, summation x square y is 130.3, summation x cube is 100 and summation x4 is 354. Now we substitute all the values in these three normal equations. We substitute the values, and on substituting the values we get on substituting values. Now first equation is n is 5, 5a plus 10b plus 30c is equal to summation y. Now summation y is 12.9. So this is our equation number 2. Similarly here 10 times a plus 30 times b plus 100c is equal to 37.1. Equation number 3. Then 30a plus 100b plus 354c is equal to 130.3. Equation number 4. So these are three simultaneous equations in A, B and C. Now we will solve this by using method of elimination. First we eliminate A from equation number 2 and 3. And similarly we eliminate A from equation number 3 and 4. To eliminate A between 2 and 3, we multiply equation 2 by 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtract equation number 3. So this gives us 10a, 20b, 60c, 25.8, 10a, 30b, 100c, 37.1. We subtract these two. On subtracting, a cancels out and 20 minus 30 is minus 10b minus 40c equal to minus of 11.3. Or we can write this as minus, we can cancel out 10b plus 40c equal to 11.3. This is our equation number 5. Next we will eliminate a from equation number 3 and 4. For that, multiply equation 3 by 3 and subtract equation number 4. We multiply this equation by 3. We get 30a plus 90b plus 300c is equal to 111.3. And next is 30a plus 100b plus 354c 130.3. On subtracting, we get minus 10b minus 54c equal to minus 19, or we can say 10b plus 54c equal to 19. This is equation number 6. Now we have to solve 5 and 6. So in 5 and 6 we have 10b, so we subtract equation 5 and 6. 10b, 40c equal to 11.3, and 10b plus 54c equal to 90. On subtracting, b cancels out, minus 14c equal to minus 7.7, and c comes out to be minus 7.7 divided by minus 14, which comes out to be 0.55. Now we have got c. Substitute this value of c in, say, equation number 5. You can substitute in 5 or 6. So I am substituting it in 5. 10b plus 40 multiplied 0.55 is equal to 11.3. This is equation number 5. Now on calculating, 10b comes out to be equal to minus 10.7 and b comes out to be minus 1.07. This is the value of b. Now we put b and c both in equation number, say, 2. We substitute b and c in equation number 2, and we get 5 times a plus 10 times b is minus 1.07 plus 30 times c is 0.55 is equal to 12.9. On solving this equation, we get the value of a, and a comes out to be 1.42. This is the value of a on solving this equation. Now substitute all these values, put a, b and c in equation number 1. Our equation 1 was this: y equal to a plus bx plus c times x squared. We get y is equal to a is 1.42, b is minus 1.07 and c is 0.55 x squared. This is the required equation of parabola, second degree, or a quadratic curve. So by using this method, we can, again, this is principle of least square. By using principle of least square, we have developed equation of second degree curve. Again, if the values of x and y are large, we can use deviation method also to reduce the calculations. Otherwise, we can do by using direct method as we have done in this example. Thank you.